A while ago, I did a video and I showed you a tactic that you can use in Google Chrome to basically shut down Google's AI overview. And what I'm talking about is if I do a search for, do a search for nutcracker esophagus, this is what would come up. This is the AI overview. And I had people say to me they wanted to figure out a way to get rid of it. Well, I figured out a way to get rid of it, sort of a little hinky. You have to put some code up here in your Google search. Now, I don't want you to use that little idea that I shared in that other video that, by the way, thousands and thousands of people said thank you for it. And the reason why I don't want you to use that tactic is that I found another way. And here's why I went looking for the other way. If you do a search for Village Tire Clemens, I want to see this right here. This is called their Google Business Profile. It shows me directions, their website. I can call them. I can see their reviews. I can see, usually busy, those different times, their addresses, et cetera, et cetera. I want that. And if you use that tactic that I created in that other video, you lose that. And I don't want you to lose that. So instead of using that tactic, here's what I want you to do. Let's go back to our nutcracker search, nutcracker esophagus. And let's say you don't want to see this right here. It really is pretty easy to do. It's 2 clicks, and the 2 clicks or more, and go to web. And when you go to web, it basically turns off the AI overview. Let's go back to Village Tire. Let's go back to that Village Tire Clemens. If I don't want to see the Google Business Profile, all I need to do is go more and go to web, and I get rid of it. I still have their Yelp, I still have them on MapQuest, et cetera, but the option all shows the Google Business Profile, and the option web turns it off. Again, if I go back to Nutcracker Esophagus, and I go to more, and I go to web, I lose the AI overview. All is where you see the AI overview. And by the way, I'm not even experimenting right now with AI mode. I'm not even experimenting with that right now. That's a whole other conversation. But really, I want you to be able to use all that Google search has for you when you want it. And so you can leave all and get AI overview. You can go to images, you can go to shopping, video, forums, short videos, go to more, and you go to web, news, maps, etc. But when you go to web, you lose the AI overview. And by the way, you can look at images, nutcracker esophagus, and shopping. I'm not going to go there. Maybe videos, maybe you can go short videos. You can go to forums. And again, look at the top, Mayo Clinic, and you go to more, and you go to web. If you want the AI overview, go back and hit all. I'm Teddy Burris. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. Ignore that other video. I think this is the video that you need because this is the way to manage your AI overview or not.